welcome to Cambridge Centre Honda. Today we're looking at a 2016 Nissan Murano. The Nissan Murano is a mid-sized crossover SUV that combines class and utility in an engaging driving experience. With its cutting-edge, easy-to-use cabin controls, the Murano is as user-friendly as it gets. Not to mention the handsome trim and abundance of passenger space that make the Murano's interior an enticing one. The Murano's transmission and engine come together to create a good deal of power while still offering great fuel economy. Handling is agile and among the best of its competition thanks to its sporty suspension. If you're looking for a crossover, the Murano should be in top consideration. At Cambridge Centre Honda, we treat you like a member of our own family because buying a vehicle should be simple and enjoyable. We provide a welcoming, professional environment where you control the decision-making process. When test driving one of our vehicles, you'll receive a free $25 gas card and have the option to test drive with a salesperson or on your own, with extended overnight and home test drives available. When purchasing your vehicle, you'll receive a free VIP coupon book with up to $1,000 in service and other savings. We do not charge administrative or other hidden fees, and Ontario-wide delivery is always included. With our customers visiting from across southwestern Ontario and beyond, we are honored to serve many of the same families year after year. Thank you for checking out Cambridge Centre Honda, and we look forward to seeing you soon.